Good holidays, everyone. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Recovery, everyone. This is Meir, your friend. We need to recover from a lot. First of all, the wrong understanding that we cannot improve our body. The wrong understanding that the medical profession knows what they're talking about when they say that you cannot improve your body. Here's the truth. You can improve your vision. You can improve your body. Why won't you make yourself a mental note that is what's possible? You know, in the last 30 years, lots of books were written on brain plasticity. And in fact, the brain can do a lot. I'm working with people who are with near blindness that can see some, but not that well. And I'm able to help them to see more and more because they exercise the plasticity. And if you don't exercise the plasticity of your brain, the plasticity of your body, the plasticity of your visual system, you exercise the opposite exercise. You create rigidity. I'll never forget the story about the salesman that bet with a 90-year-old. He was 47, going on strong, smoking every day, of course. She was 90. And the bet was that he will pay her a considerable amount of money every month, but when she will die, he will have her apartment. 30 years later, at the age of 77, the salesman died from a heart attack. What else do you expect? The woman was still alive for 4 more years. She died at the age of 124. He didn't pay attention to the fact that she was bicycling, learning fencing, climbing up mountains, and he only looked at the fact that she's 90. Well, many people who are more than 100 could put us all to shame. But now let's return to vision. I have a big favor to ask you to do for me. Come to my 6-day eye class, where most likely you will greatly improve your vision, as most people who were in my 6-day eye class did until now. I taught 2 in Brazil, 3 in Israel, 2 in Germany, 1 in Portugal, and 15 in San Francisco. So there will be another one in San Francisco this coming February from the 6th to the 11th. Work on your eyes, see better, convince your neighbors they can see better, and have a better 2020 for all of us, because we all deserve to see better. Start with the exercises I have in my book, Vision for Life and Awakening Your Body for Self-Healing and Movement for Self-Healing, and with my DVD, which is downloadable, Vision for Life. Rub your hands, put your hands gently around your eye orbits, breathe deeply, visualize you see nothing but black, and relax. Those of you who live in the East Coast can come to the moderate weather of San Francisco. Today was about 60 degrees, between 13 and 14 Celsius, with beautiful sun. That's the kind of sun we're going to use in our beach, because our school is by Ocean Beach. That's the kind of weather we're going to use when we walk in the park. We will work with nature. We have a trampoline. We'll work with that as well, for those who can do it. Not everyone can, but those who can bounce on a trampoline will find it useful. The others will play near them with balls, with obstructive lenses, with eye patches, with paper between the eyes. You know, you would look like a happy group of people, kind of weird looking, at the School for Self-Healing. And when we finish, you'll have better periphery, stronger vision, and you will beat all the odds. You see, those artificial odds. It was decided for us that we cannot improve our vision, but we can. I used to read Braille and I drive a car. What do you say about that? And so I think that a lot can be said about improving our vision. And I'm asking from all of you to tell your friends and come to our class on February. We have a lot to teach the world. When all of you will improve, I'll have a lot to tell in Argentina, where I'm going to go after being in my class here in San Francisco to a conference of natural vision improvement. And I hope to get funds for research, which costs millions of dollars, to show the world that this exists. So come, improve your vision. Help me change the world and make it a better place. Meir.